Hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you the top 5 habits that can help you pave your way to becoming a millionaire. Trust me, I have been in the game for over a decade and these habits have been my secret sauce. Habit number 1. Start with a solid financial plan. You need to set clear goals and create a budget that aligns with your dreams. Track your expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and save as much as you can. Remember, every dollar counts. Habit number 2. Invest wisely. Now, I am not talking about throwing your money at every shiny opportunity out there. Educate yourself on different investment options like stocks, real estate, or starting your own business. Diversify your portfolio and always stay informed about market trends. Habit number 3. Work smarter, not harder. Time is money. My friends, focus on tasks that bring you closer to your goals and delegate or eliminate the rest. Prioritize your time and be efficient in everything you do. Remember, success comes to those who make the most of their time. Habit number 4. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Your network is your net worth. Build a relationship with people who inspire you and share your drive for success. Attend conference, join mastermind groups, and learn from those who have already achieved what you aspire to. Habit number 5. Never stop learning. The world is constantly evolving, and so should you. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, invest in yourself. Stay up to date with industry trends and always be open to acquiring new skills. Knowledge is power, my friends. So there you have it, the top 5 habits that can make you a millionaire. Remember, it won't happen overnight, but with dedication, perseverance, and these habits, you will be on your way to financial freedom. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more valuable content, and let me know in the comment box which habit you will be implementing first. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on your millionaire dreams. Thank you.